first off, I want to start by saying thank you to everybody for all the support in the last video, guys. That was awesome. Like, I honestly just threw that up because I wanted to. I didn't even know you guys were going to enjoy it that much, but I really appreciate the support with my trucking content. Like I said, I love doing it. You know, when I'm not home and stuff, this is definitely like my other passion. But anyways, out here, just got to the customer, or should I say the cons. We are at a BJ's in Jacksonville, Florida, and you guys could see my load right here, my load information. So we'll say 45,000 pounds, and she's a heavy beast. Took me 2 tries to basically get this scaling right on this. I'll show you guys real quick, but yeah, it took me 2 tries to get the scaling down. Yeah. What's up, man? So they were too far forward, so I had too much weight in the back or something like that. So, but yeah, we're out here. I gotta check in real quick, and I can already tell this place is gonna be crazy because we got a line right here. But I'm gonna go ahead and just do my my check-ins out. So this morning I already drove 254 miles. Let's see here. Let me go to. I'm gonna check in Jacksonville, Florida. We got a BJ's appointment set for 10 a.m. So I am an hour and 20 minutes early. Getting hot out here. Don't worry, it's just water, guys, okay? It's just water. I was up at 4 a.m. V8 juices, I highly recommend these, the low sodium ones. And I just had a little applesauce. So when I get parked in my my dock, I'm gonna whip up some eggs, maybe makes a little bit of hash, and toss an English muffin on my pan because I am starving right now, guys. And then I think my next load is going to, I will tell you guys in a minute here. Load information accepted. My next load is going from Jacksonville to Union City, Georgia. So it's a drop hook. One thing I realized too about these places is that, like, bro, a lot of these people, they hate truck drivers. I don't know what it is, but like, dude, you be having the best day ever. Go to a customer, a distribution center, dude, they'll treat you like complete crap. It's just like, dude, really? Right? This dude kind of got like no personality. He's just like, he's like, oh, you been here? What's your cell number? And he's like, you been here before? I was like, no. And he's just like, all right, just pull up near the railing and I'll tell you what to do. And dude just like walks away. Definitely, it felt good to get a shower yesterday. Like, with our account, we get free showers. I'm gonna show you guys this. So every time you fuel up, Love's, by the way, is my favorite truck stop. But like, I'll show you guys real quick. So every time I get diesel at a Love's, you get rewards points. So I have 219 points. I have 58 free showers, guys. Those are 15 bucks a pop. You guys do the math. So I definitely love this company so far, guys. Like I said, the pay right now for me, I'm not gonna lie, is a little low. But you know, I'm a noob, so with time, I feel like if I keep hustling, it's gonna get there. So, morning.
Good morning.
How you doing?
All right, been here before?
I've not.
All right, you're gonna be in our staging area until they have a door available for you.
Okay.
When they do, they'll give you a call,
All right.
break your seal, open your door, back to that door number they give you, then walk your paperwork to door 105.
105?
Yeah.
Okay.
And on your way back out, leave your trailer door open so we can see inside.
Okay. All right. I appreciate you.
Right now, I'm gonna have you go in this left lane.
Left lane?
And behind those trailers.
All right.
All right.
All right. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Sweet. All right. All right. That's pretty chill. I mean, wasn't too bad. Should get some sunlight real quick before I get loaded up. Stretch out. All right, That was weird. All right, guys, so since I have some time, I'm just gonna utilize it right now, bring you guys back in the kitchen. So let's see here, for breakfast this morning, I need to use up, so for starters, I love English muffins. Got some English muffins. Let me just get my pan ready. Guys, I literally just rinse this out with water. That's all olive oil and butter from like yesterday. So I don't even care. Like, you don't really need to wash things all the time as well. Little spatula. This little burner was like the best $10 I've ever spent. Amazon. Jeez, they call me as I'm literally starting to make breakfast, guys. All right, guys, I just gotta break my seal, open my doors, and then I got my door to back into, so. Dude, my GoPro literally died mid-back and I got it in first shot. This is what 45,000 pounds of Capri Sun looks like. Where was I here? There's nothing like, there's no better feeling than cooking in your own truck, guys. Cooking up a nice meal. This is gonna be good. So I got just a little bit of corned beef hash. I'm a weirdo. I like putting syrup in that. And then fried egg. I don't add any salt or any pepper. Just gonna eat it the way it is. Okay, now we're ready to throw the English muffin on. How I usually do this, obviously cut it in half, put a little bit of butter. Guys, this is super easy to do. Like, you don't need to be a freaking pro star chef to do this, guys. Straight up, like, this is the easiest meal to make. Look at that. And there it is, guys. Make sure you guys like, comment down below, and subscribe to see more. Guys, we are leaving Florida. I'm in Jasper, Florida right now, technically Jacksonville, whatever you want to call it. Let me pause this so I don't get a copyright strike. So yeah, we're leaving Florida now. I'm so happy because it's literally 95 degrees, guys, with like 100% humidity. And we got a Roehl homie in front of me. This dude's mad chill. I forgot your name, but if you're watching this, I met you at Jacksonville Craft. So shout out to you, dude. And we've been cruising for miles now and stuff. But yeah, gorgeous day. I'm making my way to Union City, Georgia. Yeah, I'm staying out this week. I'm taking my 34-hour on the road. So I'm gonna try to get to a good location, obviously somewhere that has showers and shit like that. So I could shower, maybe get some food out to eat. I gotta go do some shopping. I ran out of basically everything in my cooler. So I'd like to get some shopping done. Maybe get a Walmart. There's another Roehl guy. Hell yeah, dude. Look at him. I had to catch up. Oh, shit. All right, guys. We are at a customer. I promised all you guys I'm back. So I'm going to throw it in. I got to do, go to door 16, 216, excuse me. So it's right here. So my tandems, I asked them if I could leave my tandems all the way forward, and they said I gotta slide them all the way back. So this is like my second back with my tandems all the way back. I'm trash. So just to show you, my tandems are all the way back. So if I screw this up, try not to roast me too much. But yeah, I'm pretty tired today. I got like 6 hours of sleep. I gotta get my rest back up. But let's get this big red beast into door 216. Not bad at all, guys. I think I'm getting the hang of it a little bit. But yeah, they told me to just drop this into door 216. Don't do nothing with it. So I'm just gonna back it up a little bit more and be on my way.